Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use WhatsApp channel feature 2026. In 2026, WhatsApp channels serve as a private one-way broadcast tool that allows organizations, celebrities, and businesses to reach an unlimited audience without sharing phone numbers. Unlike groups, followers cannot reply, though they can engage through emoji, reactions, and polls. Now, to create your own channel, navigate yourself to this updates option located at the bottom, and you will find another option called Create Channel. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on this Continue. Give your channel a name and describe what your channel does. And once you do so, go ahead and tap on this Create Channel option. Now, your channel is created. Then you can invite your followers. Go ahead and select your followers. Then tap on this OK button. From there, you will be able to share this channel link as well, or you can share it as your status. Now, once you do it, you will be able to engage with all the followers within your channel. Or what you can do is go ahead and tap on this update option once again and find any channels that you want to follow. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this search button and type in your any favorite topic, or just select that specific channel and tap on this follow channel option. Now once you follow it, you'll be able to view all the contents within this specific channel. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.